Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Frameo account on your phone. Now this particular thing is going to remove your account and delete all the related data permanently. So first of all, you need to open your Frameo application on your phone. Over here, you need to make sure that you are logged into the account which you want to delete. Now here, tap on this hamburger icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. This is going to show a bunch of other options over here in front of you. So here, tap on the option of account. Now here, when you are inside your account, you just have to basically tap on the option of account management. Now as soon as you come here inside account management, you are going to see the last option of delete account. When you tap on the delete account option, it is going to show you that deleting your account is permanent and it cannot be undone. If you delete your account, these are going to be the repercussions. So you need to type delete word over here in this particular box. Then you need to tap on the option of delete account. This way you will be able to basically send the request of deleting your account permanently. So when your account is deleted, your account will be disconnected from all the frames and you will need to create a new account if you want to use the application again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.